Hello everyone, welcome to TechSharmat. In this session, we will discuss about special register, which is current user. Current user special register is mainly used to fetch the current system username. Okay, so whenever you want to fetch the current username from the system, in that case you can utilize this current user function. And to use this current user special register, to use this special register, either you can create your SQL RPGL program or you can use it over the normal query. I will show you both ways. So in the first one, I will show you, firstly I will show you the program. So here what we are doing, first of all we declared the constant, which is SQL state underscore valid, and this constant we will use to validate the query post query execution. After that, I have declared one variable, which is result variable, and this variable we will use to store the output which we are retrieving from the query. And you can see the data type is char20 because we are fetching the current username. Afterwards, we have set the commitment control to star none. So you can see here I have set option commit star none, and this is optional thing. If you would like to skip this commitment thing, then you can skip it. And here what we are doing, we are declaring, we are using the main special register. So for that, you just need to write exec SQL, which is for execute SQL, select current user into result host variable. So this is a special register, current space user, and that value will be stored into the host variable result, and it is coming from sysibm.systeme1. After that, you can see it is printing, we are checking for the SQL state. If SQL state is equal to SQL state underscore valid, then it will display the result, else it will display the SQL state with the message query ended with an error and if INLR on. So this is how it works. Okay, so let me compile this program and call it. So you can see it is printing the current username as Sharmat. Okay, same thing if you would like to run over the normal SQL query, then you can use this query, select current user from sysibm.systeme1. So if you hit enter, you can see it is printing the value current user. So this is how it works. So if I show you the example again, then you can see syntax is quite simple because we are not passing anything. This is not function, this is special register. So here you just need to pass the special register name and it will work for you. Okay, so this is used for printing the current user name. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmat.